Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon. Click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Thursday, June 17th, 12:34 p.m. Look at cannabis stocks. Let's see who we get to identify that's strong, that's trending to the upside versus an acceleration of trending down. Each chart has a candle that's on a weekly. Since today is only Thursday, the current candle is not completed yet. That will finish tomorrow. The first one looking at is Alpha Charlie Bravo. That's a stock symbol, phonetic alphabet. Alpha Charlie Bravo. It's red for the week. Made a lower low, lower high than last week. It's in a consolidation. It's not trending. And the next one, Alpha Papa Hotel Alpha. It's trending. Green, higher high, higher low. Broke above this consolidation. That's one to consider as a potential trade idea for the upside. Look on the faster time frame, see what it's doing for a trigger. Bravo, Lima, Oscar, Zulu, Foxtrot. Again, Bravo, Lima, Oscar, Zulu, Foxtrot. Red for the week, made a lower low, lower high, and broke below the low of last week. Yeah, that's not momentum to the upside, that's weakness. Bravo, Uniform, Delta, Zulu. It's looking terrible down here. It's just an acceleration, way off the highs, almost near the year low. This yellow horizontal line is the low of the year. Charlie, Alpha, November. Also, it's in a consolidation. Smaller trading range, much smaller than the prior. Yep. Or likely more downside to come. Charlie, Bravo, Delta, Sierra. Also broke down below this consolidation. Back inside the range now, but made a lower low, lower high. That's not good. Charlie, Bravo, Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot. Well, it's green for the week, but it made a lower low than last week, where this last week's candle was a huge downturn. So maybe some people snapping in down here, but has the almost near the low this year, which is the yellow horizontal line. Yeah, the momentum's down still. That's still a trend down. Charlie, Goff, Charlie, also red for the week, made a lower low, lower high than last week. Broke out of this consolidation to the downside. That's weakness. Charlie, Romeo, Bravo, Papa. Interesting, it's a yellow candle, inside candle. Again, that means the high and low last week was not taken out yet. This is the high last year, way below it. Let's look here. Here's the low of this year, down here. Reverse, trending momentum. Now an acceleration phase. Well, if it takes out these highs, maybe consider going long. Or if it pulls back down here on weakness, now you do that on a faster time frame. This is the weekly, but you take it a little faster. I would take it to the faster time frame to see if there's a trigger. Learn what triggers are. Join my Patreon page. Let's look at some more cannabis. Charlie, Romeo, Lima, Bravo, Foxtrot. Broke below the low of last week, below that acceleration. That's bearish. Charlie, Romeo, Oscar, November. It's in acceleration. Yep, it still got weakness there. Made a low from last week. Charlie, Whiskey, Bravo, Hotel, Foxtrot. Yep, the momentum's down, it's trending down, that's bearish. Foxtrot, Alpha, Foxtrot, bearish. Made a lower low and trading below the low last week. Yeah, it made a higher high also, but again, acceleration, breakdown, consolidation is weak. Goff, Romeo, November, Hotel. Lower low, lower high, red, broke below the low last week. Golf, Romeo, Whiskey, Golf, also trending down, broke below the low of last week. Golf, Tango, Bravo, India, Foxtrot, inside candle there. Small trading range, so it's got acceleration there. Potential trade idea is if it breaks above that high of last week, that might be a trigger to go long. Or if it pulls back to the bottom of this consolidation on weakness, that could be considered a trade idea. Golf, Whiskey, Papa, Romeo, Foxtrot, looking bad. Wow, had the high there this week. Never took out the high last week and near the bottom last week without taking that out, but the momentum's down. And Hemp, Hotel, Echo, Mike, Papa. It's also inside candle there for the current week. It's not done yet. Broke above, but still weakness. Look how far it is off that high. Let's go to some more. There we go. India, November, Charlie, Yankee. Yep, thin trading range, weakness. India, Victor, Tango, Foxtrot. In a consolidation. Excuse me. Red for the week, made a higher high, but it's in this consolidation for most of the year. It's weak. Julia, Uniform, Sierra, Hotel, Foxtrot. Oof, broke below this demand zone. That's weakness. That's bearish. That green was a demand zone. Mike, Goff, Whiskey, Foxtrot. Also interesting. Broke below for the week down to this prior demand zone where buyers were, tested it around that 4 cents, and ran up. Did you get in there? That was a trade idea. Show my past cannabis stocks, potential trade ideas. Yep. So now it's hovering just shy of 5 cents. That was a fast trade, but still looking bearish. So day trade, that would have been a great opportunity if you'd taken that. Let's take this on a 15-minute intraday. See how that looked. 15 minutes. Let's go a bit further back. Yep. Thin trading range those past days, and look at here. Huge sell-off there. Okay. Mike, Sierra, Romeo, Tango. Inside candle for the week. Just shy of the all-time high for the year. Interesting. Yeah. Potential breakout to that high. Maybe we have more momentum to the upside. That's opportunity for trading. Oscar, Goff, India. Red for the week. Small trading range. In acceleration. Weakness. Papa, Oscar, Tango, November. Yeah, almost near the low of the year. That's not leadership. It's struggling down there. Sierra, Mike, Goff, also near the all-time low for the year. That's a swing low. This yellow line is a swing low, and also near the low of the year. Momentum's down, but again, if next week we price action above the high of here, that might be a potential entry. Sierra, November, Delta, Lima. Yep, trending down, bearish. Let's look at the final set of them. Sierra, Tango, Zulu, also sold off the week. Terrible, bearish. Tango, Lima, Romeo, Yankee. Okay, broke below the low last week, trending down, bearish. It reversed already. Tango, Romeo, Tango, Charlie. Well, that's strong. Yep, made a higher high, higher low. Again, trending above this consolidation. Good job out of you. Took that entry the past 2 weeks. So now a bunch of people up there sold, bring it down, but the week's not done yet. So potential, if you're bullish, if it's pulling back here on weakness on the faster time frames, might be seeing a trigger there to go long. Tango, Romeo, Uniform, Lima. Bearish. It's a huge consolidation. It's not trending. With Victor, Foxtrot, red for the week, lower low, lower high. So it's in a consolidation phase here. There's a few potential trade ideas. Break above that high of next week, of the past week, or again for a pullback. And if it's pulled back within the faster time frame on weakness, you see a trigger. Take that long. X-ray, Lima, Yankee. Huge consolidation. Up here, consolidation, breakdown, another consolidation. It's weakness here. Yep, it's weakness. All right, click subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate it. As soon as I get 1,000 subscribers, I can start going live. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.